Good morning, students. Myself, Rangnath Billarbi, Assistant Professor of English. In this presentation, we will discuss the grammatical aspect of sentence linkers. So, what are these sentence linkers? A word or a group of words used to connect two or more than two sentences are called as sentence linkers. For example, and, but, in spite of, whereas. We use these words to connect single sentence with other sentence. A single sentence become multiple sentences when we use these linkers according to the context. And these linkers, there are types of linkers. As per the context, as per the situations, as per the ideas, we have to use these sentence linkers correctly and suitably to make our sentences meaningful and correct. And the first type of sentence linkers are known as the contrasting linkers. These contrasting linkers, they join the two opposite statements or the contrasting ideas. But still, even though, in spite of, desperate, whoever, nevertheless, on the contrast, whereas. These are the words used in contrasting sentences. These examples will make you to understand the usage of these words. In spite of his hard work, he couldn't get success. So there are two thoughts or two opposite ideas. First idea, it is telling about the hard work. And the second idea, he couldn't get success. That is, two different ideas are said in this sentence. Therefore, we have to select the suitable linkers which are contrasting linkers and use in the sentence. Here in this sentence, in spite is the correct word suitable for this context. And second sentence, although they are rich, they are not happy. They are rich. This is one idea. Not happy is another idea. Although is a word contrasting linker we are using because there are two separate ideas in this sentence. And the second type of linker is known as the linkers of reason and course. Because, since, on account of, due to, as. She is absent because she is unwell. Since she is my best friend, I trust you. On account of Ganesh festival, the college remains closed. Due to the heavy rain, the match is called off. So these words like because, since, on account of, due to, they are explaining about the reason or the cause. So therefore, they are known as the linkers of reason and cause. And the linkers of purpose. This is the third one. In order to, so as to show that, and etc. Example, today is holiday, so she will not go to college. He worked hard in order to become rich. So purpose, what was the purpose? That is, so she will not go to college because there is holiday. That is the purpose, she did not go to college. So why is working, or what is the purpose of him working hard? In order to become rich. His purpose is to become rich. So we are using the linkers of purpose. And the fourth one is linkers of addition. These are the words moreover, furthermore, besides, in addition. Examples, English is my subject. Moreover, I like it. So he likes English, is studying this English subject, and more than that, it is his favorite subject. Moreover means addition. Besides being a freedom fighter, Gandhi was a philosopher. So Gandhi is not only a philosopher, in addition to being a philosopher, he is a freedom fighter. So we are using the word besides. It indicates addition to. And the last one, linkers of consequences. These linkers suggest or indicate the result or effect of an action. Consequently, therefore, as a result of, hence, etc. These are the words we will use in a sentence when there is a when we are talking about a consequence. When the writer is telling about a consequence, at that point in time, we are supposed to use these linkers. As a result of continuous rains, the rivers are flooded. We are busy, therefore we can't attend the function. So as a result, it is indicating the consequence. Because of the rains, there are floods. It has caused floods. So therefore, it is also the consequence that because they are busy, and what is the result of their being busy? They cannot attend the function. Therefore, they cannot attend the function. So in this way, we have to use different sort of linkers while joining one or the more sentences in a statement. And these statements should have these ideas, that is consequence, purpose, course, and etc., that which we have discussed in this presentation. It is encouraged to you, once again you go through the material of these linkers so that the thoughts and the ideas will become clearer to you. And now let us come to the other aspect, that is group discussion. Your professor will divide you in groups and will assign you the task based on this topic of discussion. And the first task, watch attentively a television news program and make a list of 30 sentences with linkers used by them in their discussions or debates. And the second topic, go through the daily newspaper in English and make a list of over 100 sentences which are used with the linkers. And number 3, make your own sentences using main type of linkers. In each type, make over 30 sentences with the linkers. Thank you, students.